Hi everyone, I just wanted to post a brief video on how to access the discussion board. So to get to the discussion board, you're going to click on that link here on the left. The discussion board only has two things posted there, so it will be very easy to find the link that you need to click into. So it's going to be this one right here that says Small Group Activity Plan Presentation. What you're going to do once you do click into that is you are going to first share the inspiration for your activity. So since the activity was supposed to be based on one of the interests that you saw emerging during your observation experience, you're going to share that observation experience and discuss why you decided to choose the activity that you wrote your plan on. After that, then you need to either attach as a file or you can copy and paste your final copy of the small group activity plan into the discussion board thread. So by Thursday, May 7th, you need to have this part written and then your plan attached. And then you have a full another week to read through your classmates' activity plans, and then you need to comment on at least 3 of them. So you can choose 3 people's activity plans and you can comment on their activity. If you wanted to ask, if you had questions for them about something in their activity, if you wanted to make comments about something that you liked about their activity, or anything like that, then that's what I need you to do. Just make sure that any responses that you give to your peers are positive. That's all that I ask for that. And then that is due by Thursday, May the 14th. So to create a thread, you're going to click on this link here. Once you're in there, you're going to click this Create Thread link here, and then that's how you're going to start your thread. So in your subject line, what I would put is you can put either the title of your small group activity plan, or you can just write small group activity plan, and then I want you to put your name in the subject line too, so that everyone knows whose activity plan it is that they're reading. So make sure that in this subject line that your name is in there somewhere as well. Then you're just going to come into this text box here. That's where you're going to write any information. If you want to cut and paste your activity plan, you can do that right in there. If you want to attach it as a file link, you're going to click on this here. It's going to open up another box. You're going to hit Browse My Computer. Once you click on that, it's going to take you into your files, into your computer. You're going to select the file name that you want to post, and then you're going to hit Submit there. And then that's how you're going to do that. And then once you're ready to post this thread, you're going to hit Submit, and then it'll show up in there. And then once you want to respond to someone's thread, you just click on their thread, and then there is another text box to respond to that as well. So I'm guessing most of you have had experience working with the discussion board, but if you have not and you have questions about this, don't hesitate to reach out to me. So that's all I have for now. If you have any questions, just let me know. I look forward to reading all of your final plans.